Hey everybody, Scott McGrath here at McGrath Pest Control. Today I'm going to give you some real quick tips on bed bugs. So what happens if you go to a hotel, what to look for, and then what to do if you happen to find some. Okay, so you're on a quick business trip, you go to a hotel room, first thing you want to do is you want to check your mattress and your headboard for bed bugs. All right, so here's some places you want to look for. You want to pull all these pillows out here. You want to look on the cracks of the headboard. You want to look in the corners of them. You want to look up here. You're looking for either little black dots or you're looking for the actual bed bug itself, okay? So bed bugs like to hide in small little cracks and crevices, all right? So we're going to look in the headboard. I'm going to pull all of this up. I'm going to pull the sheets up, and I'm going to pull the mattress up, and I'm going to look all down here for any sort of black dots or any kind of black discoloration, or I may even look for like little red blood spots on here in your mattresses, okay? That's a good indication that you may have bed bugs in your hotel room. Now, if you happen to find evidence or you happen to find the bed bug itself, what do? You leave. You go downstairs, ask for another hotel room quickly, okay? Now, if you don't find anything, you're probably okay, but when you come home, if you're not sure, take all your clothes and your suitcases, stick them outside, and hopefully it's August, so hopefully it's hot. Stick them outside in the hot air for about a day or so. That'll kill any bed bugs that happen to be in there. All right. Any more questions you have with bed bugs or when you're traveling, what to look for, give me a call here at McGrath Pest Control. Thank you very much.